If you're tired of weak, watery foam ruining your homemade coffee, or you're constantly replacing batteries in cheap milk frothers, this might be the upgrade you've been looking for. Today we're taking a close look at the Maestri House LunaFro NS rechargeable milk frother to see if it's actually worth buying or just another kitchen gadget that ends up sitting in a drawer. The Maestri House LunaFro NS is a rechargeable handheld milk frother designed for coffee lovers who want cafe-style drinks without spending coffee shop prices every day. Whether you're making lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, hot chocolate, or even protein shakes, this compact frother promises rich foam in seconds while keeping things simple. If you'd like to check the latest price or availability, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is its clean, modern design. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and small enough to fit inside almost any kitchen drawer without taking up valuable space. The stainless steel whisk feels sturdy rather than flimsy, and because it's detachable, cleaning becomes much easier than with many one-piece frothers. The waterproof whisk design also adds peace of mind during cleanup, making daily use feel less like a chore. Overall, it gives the impression of a product that's built for regular use instead of occasional use. Performance is where this little gadget really starts to stand out. Thanks to its upgraded high-torque motor, the LunaFro NS can create smooth, creamy milk foam in around 15 seconds. The higher 8,000 revolutions per minute mode works especially well for cappuccinos and lattes, producing thick foam that looks surprisingly close to what you'd get from many cafes. If you're simply mixing drinks or stirring powdered supplements, the lower 5,500 revolutions per minute setting helps reduce splashing while still blending everything evenly. That extra speed option makes it much more versatile than basic single-speed frothers. Another feature that makes everyday use more convenient is the built-in rechargeable battery. Instead of constantly buying AA batteries, you simply recharge it with the included USB-C cable. A full charge takes roughly 3 hours and can last anywhere from 1 to 2 months depending on how often you use it. That's a noticeable quality of life improvement, especially if you make coffee every morning. Using the LunaFro NS couldn't be much simpler. Attach the whisk, choose your speed, place it into your milk, and let it work for a few seconds. Cleanup is equally straightforward. Just place the whisk into warm water or soapy water, switch it on briefly, and most of the residue washes away instantly. Since the whisk is detachable, you can also rinse it directly under running water, making maintenance quick enough that you won't think twice about using it every day. Of course, no product is perfect. While this frother performs very well for everyday home use, it isn't designed to heat milk, so you'll still need to warm your milk separately if you're making hot drinks. It also doesn't include a storage stand, which some competing models offer. Those aren't major drawbacks, but they're worth keeping in mind depending on how you plan to use it. So who is this frother really for? If you enjoy homemade coffee, matcha, hot chocolate, protein shakes, or mixed drinks and want cafe-style foam without spending a fortune, it's an easy recommendation. If you need an appliance that also heats milk automatically, you'll probably want to look at electric countertop milk frothers instead. Overall, the Maestri House LunaFro NS delivers exactly what most people expect from a quality handheld frother. It's fast, easy to clean, rechargeable, portable, and versatile enough for far more than just coffee. It solves several common frustrations without adding unnecessary complexity, making it a practical addition to almost any kitchen. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. And if you're thinking about picking up the Maestri House LunaFro NS, be sure to check the link in the description for the latest price before any deals end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.